What's up mga pre, for today's vlog, ang gagawin namin ni Vika, kukunin na namin yung camera naming pinagawa sa Sony. Pero hindi namin pala pinagawa siya.
Ah, yeah, they said pick it up, na?
Oo, pinapa-pick up na sa amin kasi hindi na namin pinagawa mga pre kasi ito na pala, service center.
Faster, it's only till 5.
O yan. Push.
Go inside.
Dito na pala tayo. Good
Hello.
afternoon. Kala niya school.
Yeah.
Hindi na
Hindi
po.
na.
Kasi ano yun, magkano po yun? Okay?
3,000. Nasa 18,966.
Oo, oo nga. Para kasing kalahati rin ng price niya yung origin. Ay, chinek din namin parang na-check namin kahit na maayos yung lens. Kasi nabagsak talaga siya So baka mamaya, yung sa loob naman, yung motor niya, nakakala kasi namin mga pre nasa 6
No,
to
like
10.
10. At least 10. As long as it's 10, it would be fine.
Kasi chinat GPT namin siya, sabi namin, ito yung sira ng camera namin and mga magkano estimated. So, expected namin parang maximum 12,000. So, kung 12,000, okay lang naman. Tapos, nung nalaman namin, yun nga, parang nagko-cost na siya na nasa 20,000. Sabi niya, kapag daw ang cost ng repair is kalahati ng
Price of
price niyan, mas
Ano
magandang bumili ka na ng bago. Especially kung nabagsak daw yan, hard drop. Baka daw kasi may ibang parts doon na nasira na din. Okay. Sige. May power. Importante na may power na. So, ito na yung camera mga pre. Yung basag nyo. Pag binubuksan siya, so wala. Wala talaga. Ayun, may tunog pa nga.
Wala. Cannot open. Even if you force it, it cannot
Pwede
come
siya
out.
po-force na mga force ko.
No, honey. Wag.
Wala talaga.
I'm
Uy.
doing.
Ay. Ayun. 28 millimeters. Naging okay na.
It's working?
Hindi ko lang alam. Pag pinatay ko, so okay na.
No, but we cannot always gamble. Will it work? Will it not?
Tignan natin Tingin ko, pwede mong ipaayos to. Ipapakalikot mo to sa mga kilala mong marunong na electronics. Papakalikot mo lang siya. Kasi naipit lang talaga to Parang ipit lang siya Di ko lang alam o kung yung motor niya talaga yung talagang sira.
Ani, you gave it to professionals. They gave you what is it wrong, and then you
Siyempre, ang kailangan nila yung talagang parang bago, di ba? Siyempre, pangalan nila yun Susubukan kong i-turn off. Ayan.
Let me try. Maybe I have magical hands. Wait, honey, it's вообще.
Ayun, I think okay naman. Kaya lang, may ano nga siya.
Honey,
May ritual.
so you can eat na Sobe Lou.
Yung pagkain ni Sobe mga pre.
You want this? Yeah, you will sit on chair, okay? And then we will. Honey, help me, please.
Wow! Yummy!
Make it yummy. Do again, yummy.
Wow! Yummy!
Can I try? Looks yummy. Gusto ko din.
Ha?
It's kasi with yogurt, everything she likes.
Oh wow, ang sweet ni Sobe. How about Daddy? Can I try?
No, do.
No? No. Wow, sweet ni Sobe. I will also try. Is it yummy? No?
Siguro maasim. I actually feel guilty that I broke it.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you don't.
What do you think of me? Some spoiled brat that is like, I don't know. Of course I do feel guilty. Because I remember how it felt.
Kasi mga pre, parang ano na rin kaya hindi na rin talaga namin bibilin. Kaya hindi na rin talaga namin pinagawa mga pre. Ano na rin, katumbas niya na yung price ng bagong DJI. Kaya magdi-DJI na lang kami, DJI 4. Same lang din naman. And para at least matry natin, di ba?
Yeah.
Saka, kasi kung same lang din naman ng price, yun yung gagamitin namin kasi mas sigurado mas magagamit namin yon.
Because it's Basta it has more features, like more easy to use than this one. When you're in public.
Yun, in public kasi, mas ano siya, mas tago.
Yeah.
Ano ba tayo, mas discreet siya pag nagbe-video ka. Hindi tulad nito. Pero actually, itong gantong camera, ano talaga to, parang heavy duty to compare sa
Well, yeah.
DJI. Yun nga lang. Pero depende pa rin sa gumagamit. Kahit heavy duty, oh, nasira eh.
Do you know how it actually happened?
How?
It was like
Kasalanan
this.
ba?
No, ako.
Akala ko sa
No, my God. No, sometimes mistakes happen in life.
It's mistake. Don't worry, no one is blaming you. No one's blaming you.
Parang hindi.
Ano parang hindi.
Wait, honey, how can you drink this when it's so pretty? Look at the design.
Gusto lang talaga ni Bikang bumili ng bagong camera. Right?
No, why are you talking about
I'm
me like
just-
I'm a spoiled brat? If we're not in public, you're dead.
Yan si Bika, pag may gusto siyang gamit, sisirain.
Baliw ka.
Why are you
Honey,
getting...
baguhin mo yan because they will think I'm like that. You're crazy.
No, why are you so defensive? Are you like that?
No, because
Oo,
honey,
diba? Hindi ikaw
syempre
yun.
you will think a foreigner is like that.
No. Why foreigner is like that?
No, you will think like it's natural for them to be like that.
Why, are they like that?
No.
Oh, so hindi. Diba?
No, change. Say that I'm good.
She's good.
Okay, you will see everyone's bashing me after this.
Hindi, joke lang. Si Bika lang talaga, clumsy lang talaga.
Yeah, that's all. I'm just
Ganun
clumsy.
lang talaga siya. Kaya lahat talaga ng gamit mahawak mo sa kanya masisira.
No, talaga. This is the camera that we bought. That's our new camera.
Actually, pinibidyoan namin to para in case kasi sa Shopee namin binili.
Yeah.
So sabi lang nila baka raw para sure daw, videohan daw. Baka mamaya
But
bato daw yung ma-open mo.
it's not scam. Di
Oh,
ba?
hindi
It's,
scam yan kasi kasi umorder naman tayo sa mismong
Store.
shop. Mas mura kasi sa Shopee. Kasi napansin namin sa mall 28,000 sa Shopee.
Yes, Shopee is
parang
only
25,000 lang.
25.
Oo.
Still a bit more mura. Well, I'm opening it now.
Yeah, sige, open natin para
Parang
sure.
I'm nervous.
Yan. Para yung video muna. So balot na balot siya. Oh, ano yan? What is that? Bato?
No, honey, stop. I will bato you now.
Tama naman yung box, DJI.
Okay.
Ngayon, tignan mo. Naka-seal naman, bo. Seal buo. Okay.
May ganyan.
Okay.
Open na ba?
Yeah, open mo na. Standard lang yung binili namin, mga pre.
What? What?
No, yeah, nothing. Tinitignan lang kita.
You know this video on opening new iPhone, someone opened
Ano?
like this and then bagsak. Do you know that video?
Ay, oo. Bumagsak. Oh, be careful. Buti alam mo yun.
I don't know why
Sa
you're
taas
laughing.
na. Hindi ko alam.
It's just like that, casually. You should be like, because they said it's fragile.
Yeah, it is.
So dapat
Bibili na lang
should be
tayo.
like a casing out of, I don't know, Titan.
Ayun. Ayun.
That's the
Ayan, yun. Yun.
Where's the camera?
Ha?
Where's the camera?
Ayan yung camera. Naka ano lang, naka
Pwede na?
tiklop lang. Wait, check mo nga. Check muna natin. Okay. Oh. Actually mga pre, mas mura to kaysa dun sa kamerang nasira.
Yeah, the one that we had.
Kasi yung kamerang nasira, 50,000 mahigit siya eh. Tapos
Yeah.
eto 20, kalahati yung yung price niya. Diba? Kaya
wait, so we don't have camera like that anymore.
wala na. Yan na yung kapalit ng kamerang yun. Diba?
Shouldn't we just bought the other one dapat?
Anong other one? Hindi baka mapaayos natin yun sa sa mumurahin malay mo kasi kung wala na naman talaga, di ba? Try natin.
You will paayos sa mumurahin tapos kung ano
I mean,
pa
hindi
yan.
sa mumurahin. Kumbaga hindi, baka may kilala kasi si Papa na electronics.
No, honey, you will not paayos it sa kalsada.
Okay, sige. Hindi kalsada yun, kaibigan namin.
Kalsada.
Tatanong namin ng kalsada.
Pwede na buksan?
Okay, sige. Sigurado ka ba?
No.
Okay, yeah, tama yan. Yan yung battery. Tingnan.
Where
Tingnan
is the
natin.
camera?
Nakaikot. Ayun yung camera. Ito. Ayun.
Uy,
Ayun.
naka-transformer!
So, basta never mong hahawakan to.
Dito.
Yan. Basta wag ka nang hahawak dyan. Sa gimbal banda. So, ngayon, try mo na. Naka-portrait mode kayo.
Not visible.
What? Nagpapatawa ka ba? May tape eh. Hindi talaga visible yan.
Ang pangit ko dito. What's up mga pre? So today's vlog. Am I not looking fat? Where would I put it?
Oo, sabi ko sa'yo, wag mo hahawakan ng ganun eh. So, raw video yung ginagawa mo, di ba? Walang edit, walang ano.
This is... wait, it's so complicated. Like this?
Pwede mo kasing pwede mong sensor.
Okay. So this is
but-
Sophie. She's already sleepy. Hello, hello. This is Eugene. Wait, this is complicated. I'm holding like this. Cannot be visible. You need to touch. Only then you're visible. Active track
Yun,
enabled.
active track.
Okay. Now we're normal.
Ako. Bakit?
It's following Daddy.
Alis ka.
Don't follow me. That's so weird. That's so cool. It can
Punta ka
follow.
dito kasi siya mahabol ka pa niya. Yan.
Dance.
Yan, siya follow mo.
That's actually creepy.
Dance.
Don't look at me.
Dance.
Stop it.
Dance.
Oh, that's so cool actually. That's
That's
very useful. Well, anyway.
Siguro mga pre, yun lang muna. Next video namin siguro makikita.
We'll be with a
yung
new camera. I'm excited to
yung
see
camera.
how it will be.
Ang purpose lang talaga namin ngayon is para ma-check kung bato ba yung laman o hindi. Legit naman talaga yung store. Kaya lang, malay mo, iba pala yung na-check out ko. Sabi, what are you doing?
Stop taking a video.
A video.
You're videoing? Sino binibidyoan mo?
Mommy.
Are you vlogging?
Say what's up mga pre?
What's up? What's your play?